Now, what is a registrable design? This is also very important. So, a design should be either new or novel, meaning that it should not be previously published. Okay, so anything which is existing in public domain, which is already part of public knowledge, which exists out there, does not or cannot be granted design registration. It should be new or novel in terms of aesthetic value to a design. Now, there is a clear distinction between the shape of an article, right? So, that is solely judged by the eye, does not mean what function that article is performing. Functionality part is something that is not covered in India. So, we do not have the concepts of design patents in India or utility designs in India. You only have the concept of aesthetic protection of an article. So a design must appeal to the eye. The appeal need be either artistic. The appeal need be either artistic or aesthetic, provided that some appeal is created by the distinctiveness of the shape, pattern, ornamentation, calculated to influence the consumer's choice. Right. So these are few examples that you see on your screen, which basically embody different designs. So a watch can be a wristwatch can be of a different design. A faucet in your washroom or your kitchen can be of multiple different designs, right? It only performs the function of making the water flow out of the tap, but the design of that product is something which basically appeals to the customer to buy it. It has an aesthetic value attached to it. So similarly, this is just a part of a car part, which is basically a headlight, which is also forming part of the complete design of a motor vehicle, right? So this also can be individually protected as a design, a unique shape of the headlight. And next you see is these are the beddings that have been embodied with different patterns, right? So these are different examples of where design can exist, and the basic requirement is to fulfill the criteria that it should be new or novel, should be original. It cannot be something which is already out there in the market.
If you're interested in IP laws, do check out our courses on www.academyofpatents.com.